It's not going nowhere. I'm telling y'all, it's not. Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. It's Des. It's the name, Accessible Des. I'm doing installing a wig. Installing a wig with me at 3. Installing a wig with me at 3 a.m. Real big. Alright, y'all. Your girl is back. I had to fix the thing off camera because it was getting scary, y'all. It was getting scary. I'm gonna do the other side and then I'm gonna show y'all finished product so I can end the video off right. Okay. Ta-da! Y'all, this looks too good. I'll tell you, like, I was so scared. I'm like, is he doing this? Why is he doing that? It came out looking so good. I don't know. Maybe I'm not missing this side part. I have to let it grow on me. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Get at it, all that. Even though I don't know how far this video is gonna go, but you know.